What's up everyone, this is Steve from Supermods Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a new security feature that Apple has released in the new iOS 15 update, which will help you in case you forget your password on your device or your phone broke and it was ghost touching and now you can no longer put in a password, or you have an issue where your phone is disabled and you need to get back in your phone. And I'm going to show you guys this new security feature and how it's done. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we're going to go into settings and you're going to go into your iCloud, okay? And then from your iCloud, you go to password and security. Now it wants me to sign in. I will sign in. And now you see this tab here that says account recovery. My two-factor authentication is on. You could also get a verification code. So see here, account recovery. If you forget your password or device password, you have a few options to recover your data. Now this is a game changer because for years, people have been losing their data and Apple didn't give a crap about your data and you could never get it back. So we'll click on account recovery and now you see this add recovery contact. That's right. So now you can add a family member, your wife, your kids, whoever, as a recovery contact in case something goes wrong with your device. Okay? If for whatever reason you can't push in the passcode or you disable the phone, this will allow you to be able to recover your information. As you can see here, I have Steve 12 Pro set as a recovery contact. Do keep in mind, you also need to make sure that you have iCloud enabled. If you do not have iCloud enabled or an iCloud account enabled, this feature will not show up on the device. So you need to make sure your iCloud is connected and it's signed in and you're hooked up. All right. So what you could do here is add recovery contact. And as you can see, it says add someone you trust. Choose a friend or family member to add as a recovery contact for your account. The person you choose must be at least 13 years old and have an Apple device. So this will not work for Android. So if you know somebody in the household that has an Android, you can't use them as a recovery contact, okay? Ask for help in person or by phone. If you forget your password or device password, you will need to reach out to your recovery contact for help. So let's say, for instance, I can't get into my phone. I'll ask my recovery contact for help, and boom. Your recovery contact can't access your data, but can help you recover all of it and get back into your account. Like, this is a game changer, all right, guys? This is perfect. And I don't know where this thing was so long, but I'm glad it's here. So to add somebody as a recovery contact, you would just click add recovery contact. Now you would select somebody in your list who has an iPhone. This is my main phone that I have here. I'll select 12 Pro. I click add. On the other device, you're going to receive a text message, which shows here. Send a message to Steve 12 Pro to let them know that they've been added as your recovery contact. You can write a message or use the one provided. I'd like to add you as my recovery contact. If you accept, you will be able to help me recover my data and regain access to my account. I might call you or reach out in person when I need help. So what I'll do is I'll send that to Steve. The message is sent. And you see here it says request sent. Now let me find my other phone because that's on the charger. And I have received this message. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it and click accept. And click OK. And now you see it changed over right away to Steve 12 Pro. Now I could remove contacts if I need to. Of course, you got to sign in again because they want to make sure that you are the person that's doing this. So I'll sign in. Contact is removed. and I still have that other one. So as you can see, guys, this is a great way, it's a great tool to back up your data in case anything was to happen and you lose your information, and now they made it easier for you to get it back. Thumbs up to Apple for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to help us grow, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.